Daruifuno provides users with a variety of installation accessories to meet different installation needs. For example, this pipe-mounted accessory is suitable for BGA 351 blue-green algae sensor, CDOM 351 colored soluble organic matter sensor, OWA 351 oil and water sensor. Flexible installation and easy maintenance. Below we demonstrate the specific installation method. This pipe installation accessory is divided into 3 parts. Pipe cap, sensor fixing plate 3. Pipe installation body. First, insert the 2 sealing rings into the grooves reserved inside the sensor fixing plate. Take a small amount of sealing silicone grease and apply it evenly to the surface of the O-ring. Take out the sensor and insert the tail of the sensor slowly and horizontally into the sensor fixing plate. Continue to insert the sensor into the bottom of the fixing plate accessory and rotate the sensor in the direction of the thread until it is tightened. Place the sensor together with the fixing plate into the pipe installation body. Finally, screw on the pipe cap. In this way, the pipe installation method of the sensor is completed. When the sensor needs maintenance, just unscrew the cap directly. Take out the sensor for easy maintenance. Note, the service life of the sealing ring is usually 1 to 2 years, and it is recommended to replace it on time. If you find that the top of the sensor fixing plate is leaking during use, the O-ring may be invalid.